purchased my BESTAND laptop stand several years ago. I have been thrilled with it. When my son started looking for one to keep his laptop up off of his gaming desk to keep it cool, of course, he bought the black version. So this is space silver, this is black, they also have gray. The black one looks like very sleek. And I'll show you the actual specifics when we get out to my setup, but your thoughts about this so far? You've had it for about a month. What do you think?
Great cable management down at the bottom, if you look, the little hole.
Mm-hmm.
So that's cool if you ever have any things you need to run through here. It looks really nice because the black and white designs. And also, I just like the angle that it is at. It just looks nice in general.
Do you feel like it's keeping your computer cooler?
Yeah, I felt that a lot. It's much cooler than it normally is.
Okay. Happy with it?
Yes.
Okay. This product has 6,000 5-star reviews, and I'm going to show you why. Regularly, it just comes like this, and it has a metal base. On mine, I put velvet down here, so I literally just traced it. I'll link to the stuff that I used, and then I just cut it out and stuck it in there, so that way I can put like my glasses or phone or whatever under there without anything getting scratched. Laptops of all kinds, whether that's a MacBook or a gaming computer, anything that's from 11 all the way to 16 inches wide. 3 vertical openings here really help with airflow, keeping the circulation moving and keeping your laptop nice and cool. This is my favorite part back here, is this hole for cable management, so that everything can go right through the back and you're not sitting there looking at a bunch of cords hanging off your computer. This is 7000 series aluminum alloy, which is what they use in aerospace equipment. Guys, this is the kind of thing that you buy once. That's what it looks like from the side, what the bottoms look like. Reinforced silicone pads at every corner, so this thing never moves once you put it in place. I heard how heavy that was, right? Again, up here, reinforced silicone pads, and then down here at the lip, also silicone pads here. So once you put your computer here, it's not moving. It does not move at all. It does hold up to 66 pounds. My setup for, but you guys can see, this is a MacBook Air, and a MacBook Pro would fit up here as well. Because that way, like when I'm working, if I want, I can put my glasses or anything else I want back there. This keyboard and mouse for cord management. So one of the best features about this is, you see back there that little hole, I can absolutely keep working and just push the cords through, and that way you have good cable management. The number one reason I personally bought this is because I do a lot of Zoom calls and I was tired of having to look down. So whether you're gaming or working, having your computer up, your laptop up like this helps so that your posture is better and you're not looking down all the time. Plus, looking down is not a flattering look if you're over the age of 30. So goodbye double chin, hello laptop stand. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name's Raphaela. Subscribe if you like honest reviews about household and family Amazon finds. I'm really trying to grow this channel to 1K by St. Patty's Day. Get to hang out and be smart little cookies together. Okay, back to the video. I would say if you need a laptop stand, better working conditions, or to keep your laptop cool while you're gaming, a buy once, cry once situation. Sure, it's $40. You will have a laptop stand that will basically last forever, and because you're improving the airflow for your laptop, keeping it cooler, the laptop's gonna last longer. That actually makes this an investment worth making. The product is 5 stars all the way around. I love it, he loves it. I would give this as a gift, no questions asked. Absolute amazing product. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.